Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started this rational numbers in decimal form in chapter 5th, operations on rational numbers. In this rational, you write these rational numbers in decimal form. See you further example. Yesterday we studied this first and second example. Write the rational number 15 by 11 in decimal form. 15 by 11 in decimal form. This rational number you write in decimal form. Here 15 by 11 you divide this 11. 15, 11 ones are 11. Here 0, 5 minus 1, 4. Then you write here one decimal and take here one 0. Again here 11 3s, 11 4s are 44, big number, 11 3s are 33. Then here 10 minus 3 6. Then here 0. Sorry, 10 minus 3 7. Then again one 0 you take here. Then 11 6 are 66. 66. Then here 10 minus 6 4. Then 7 minus 6 here 0. Again one 0 you take here. Again 11 3s are 33. Here. Then here 10 minus 3 7. Here again one 0 take. Again 11 6 are 66. Here no remainder of 0. Then see here, observe that the remainder is at alternate step 3 and step 4. So the step is no. Here remainder is step 4 and step 7. So the division will continue endlessly. Here the repeating digits. Repeating digits after this decimal 3636. Decimal points are 3 and 6. To express this is a bar is placed over the repeating digits. When repeating digits are there, then you place here this repeating digits of this bar. Placed over here repeating digits after this decimal 36. Therefore you write here 36 bar and this one. Only our answer is 1.36 bar. Means here in this example of third one, single digit or a group of digits occur repeatedly on the right of this decimal point. This type of decimal form is called as recurring decimal form. This type of repeating digits are there after this decimal. Therefore, this decimal is called as recurring decimal. Recurring decimal form. Recurring decimal form. And when remainder is 0, this is called as terminating decimal form. Terminating decimal form. And here, after this decimal, in quotient the answer is repeatedly digits. Then this is called as recurring decimal form. Remember, rational numbers have either a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating recurring decimal form. Then see here practice set 24. Practice set 24. First one. Question 1. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. First one, 13 by 4. Then you solve here 4 equal by this 13, 4 3 is 12. Then here write 1 and here 0. Then you write here 1 decimal and take here 1 0. Then 4 2 is 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Then you write here again 1 0. Then 4 5 is 20. Answer is 13 by 4 is equal to 3.25. 3.25. Then second one see minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8. This minus sign, afterwards you write only take here 7. Then this 7 is small number, then you write here 0. Firstly 0. Then you take here 1, 0. 0.87 is 56. 8 8 is 64. 8 9 is 73. 8 8 is 64. Then here 10 minus 4, 6. Take 1, 0, 16. Then 8 7 is 56. 8 7 is 56. Here again 10 minus 6, 4. Again 1, 0, take 8 5 is 40. Answer is what? Minus 7 by 8 is equal to 0.875. But here minus sign is there, therefore you write here minus. Answer is minus 0.875. Then third one, see. Third number, 7 integer 3 by 5. Firstly, this rational mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38 divided by 5. This 5, 38. Then see here, 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. Then here write 3 0. Then here decimal right and we take here 1 0. Then 5 6 is 30. Answer is 7 integer 3 by 5 is equal to 7.6. Then fourth one, see. 5 by 12. This 12 divided by this 5. Here firstly you take here 0 point, here decimal 0. Then 12 of 4 is 48. 12 of 4 is 48. Then here 10 minus 8, 2. Here 0. Again 1 take here 0, 20. 12 2 is 24, big number. Therefore 12 1 is 12. Here 10 minus 2, 8. 12 6 is 72. Here 10 minus 2, 8. Here 0. Again 1 0 you take. Then again 12 6 is 72. Here 10 minus 2, 8. Here 0. Then here repeated of these numbers 6 6. 6 6. Therefore you write here only 0.416 and here 6 6 repeated. Therefore here this 6 digit is repeated. Then you write here point. Then 0.416. Then next one, see fifth one. Number 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7. See here. 7 3 is 21. Then here 1, here 0. Then you write here decimal and take here 1 0. Then 7 1 is 7. Then 10 minus 7 3. Again 1 0 you take. 7 2 is 14, 7 4 is 28. 28. Here 10 minus 8, 2. Then 1 0. Again 7 2 is 14. Then 10 minus 4, 6. Again 1 0 you take. 7 8 is 56. 56. 10 minus 6, 4. Then again 1 0 you take here. Again 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42, big number. Therefore you write here 7 5 is 35. Then 10 minus 5. Here 5 0 again 1 0 you take 7 7 जा 49. Again here write 1 again 1 0 you take 7 1 जा 7 10 minus this. See here this again repeated of this decimals 1 digit. Here answer is 3.142857. Again starts from this numbers 1. Therefore only you write here 1.42857. Here again reminder this 3 afterwards 2 4 5 this repetition of these reminders. Therefore only write these numbers 3.142857. 3.142857. Now there will be the repetition of this digit. Therefore you write here line on these numbers 14287. Then 61 see 6 number 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 3 1 जा 3. 4 minus 3 1. Then point here. Then 0 3 3 जा 9. Again 10 minus 9 1. Again 1 0 you take here. Again 3 3 जा 9. 10 minus 9 1. Repetition of these reminders 1 1. Therefore you write here only this digit 1.3. Repetition in answer see here 3 3 3. Therefore here dot write 1.3 dot. Then again only one remain last 7th one. By 9. 7 by 9. See here this 7 small number then you write here 0 point then you take here 1 0. 9 7 जा 63. 9 7 जा 63. Then here 10 minus 3 6. Then 1 0 you take. Again 9 6 जा 54. 9 6 जा 54. Then here 10 minus 4 6. Again 1 0 you take here. Then 9 6 जा 54. Again. Sorry, here 10 minus 3 7. 10 minus 3 7. Then again 1 0 you take. Again here 9 7 जा 63. Again here 10 minus 3 7. Again 1 0 you take. Again 9 7 जा 63. Here see reminder repetition of the 7. Therefore only one number you write here. Here also in answers repetition of this 7 7 7 0.7. Same digits of this 7 and here write 1 dot. 0.7 dot means this is called as this terminating decimal form. Here completed these rational numbers in decimal form. All of you in homework complete this practice set 24 and send me this homework. Okay.